rhymes and everything you ooze, the tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll, no rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this makeup look. And as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Actually, this is my signature or my everyday makeup or work makeup if I want to look fresh and beautiful and having makeup in the same time. I want to make it like really quickly, really easy. Of course, in the video, it will take a little bit more time because I'm gonna show you every step. But in every day, it just takes me about like from 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on my skin and how active I am, but basically it takes from 10 to 15 minutes to make this makeup look so pretty, so simple, and makes me look flawless and awake. So if you want to see how I made this simple makeup look, please keep watching. Hi everyone again, so let's get into our tutorial. So as you can see, my face completely clean, nothing on it. So I'm gonna start with Nivea Men After Shaving Balm, and I'm gonna apply just a small amount of it and apply all over my face in a circular motion until I feel it become a little bit sticky. Of course, you know this as a face primer before makeup from Nikki Tutorials. Once I tried this, actually I love it so much. It really makes my skin so fresh and really makes the makeup stay on for quite some time. So second thing, I'm gonna hydrate my lips because it tends to be a little bit not good. Anyway, so now let's go to the concealer. I'm not gonna apply any foundation in this tutorial because this is like my everyday, like very quick makeup. So I depend on the concealers and the primers and powders, of course. So as you can see, I'm applying the Maybelline Age Rewind because I love it. Really neutralize my skin and makes me look so fresh and make my skin look so glow. And as you can see, I look like a ghost right now. So now I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetic brush and I'm gonna buff this concealer all over my face from the center of my face and going away, like out. So the concealer really acts like a concealer and a foundation in the same time. This is way nicer and I love doing this because I don't have a lot of discoloration on my skin, especially on the outer area of my skin. So the concealer actually acts like a foundation and helps to hide any imperfection if I have any sometimes. So it's really nice on the skin, so I don't need to use a foundation for this. Next, I'm gonna use this Fit Me from Maybelline, and I'm gonna apply it just over my eyes and underneath my eyes as well, as you can see. And using this brush, it's a Real Technique, it's a copy brush, but it's really good one actually. So I'm gonna use this brush to buff the concealer underneath my eyes and above my eyes. I'm gonna use this as like an eyeshadow primer as well. So just this, that will help to brighten the under eye area even more with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Using an empty or clean old mascara wand and comb my brows, and now using this eyebrow gel with the ankle brush from the cream shop. I love this ankle brush. I love it, so amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not doing anything fancy on my eyebrow, just filling the empty spaces and make my brow look a little bit fuller and a little bit lighter. Actually, I didn't like the color after applying the eyebrow mascara because my other eyebrow gel was like in a really nice color, but actually it's kind of a dry right now, so I used this one instead. With this mascara, it doesn't look so good, but anyway, so let's go into the face, just using the butters to set everything in place. So yeah, something really quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Cool Bronzer with this brush from PH Cosmetics and just apply a little bit of contour, not really harsh contour, just like a contour slash bronzer to add a little bit of color and enhancement to my bone features, and in the same time it's really light and really quickly. So as you can see, I'm focusing on the cheekbone, like under the cheekbone, to enhance this part, and in my jawline to enhance that feature of my face, and take this bronzer just a little bit under my chin just to make everything looks beautiful, using this small brush with the same colors, same bronzer, to contour my nose just really quickly to make it a little bit smaller, not too small, just a little bit. Actually, this look is just very quick, but in the same time enhance the features of your face. Now using the powder brush to just buff this contour, nose contour in to make it a little bit softer. Using this lovely brush from Nail Technique and mix these two colors together and apply it to my crease area and in the outer part of my eyes, just to enhance the crease area and enhance the shape of my eye. So the most of the color will be on the outer part of my eye and just take it inside the crease, so I make this crease looks more nicer. So if you have a hooded eye, this will help to enhance the eye shape and make it like you have a crease. Okay, using this blending brush and this highlight color just to blend any harsh line, if any. Using the other side of the brush, like the eyeshadow brush, and using this color from this lovely small palette. This color is so nice and really brighten the eyelid. I'm gonna apply it, as you can see, only on my eyelid, and taking this color, it's more soft. I'm lighting over it so it will give more dimension and more brightness to my eyes, so it will make my eye look way like awake. And taking the Real Technique brush again without any color, and just blend the two colors together to remove any harsh line, if any. Now I'm gonna take this light color and apply it to my inner part of my eye and T-dots and the tear dots. So as you can see, really widen up my eyes and make me look so awake. So I'm gonna take the angle brush and the bronzer palette. I'm gonna take this darker color and really quickly just drawing like an inverted winged liner with the powder. So it's really soft, really nice. I love this trick with my eyes because it helps to make my eyes looks wider and bigger. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of it and apply it like over my eyelashes to like intense the eyelash line. Now it's time to mascara. I'm gonna apply these two mascaras together. First, I'm gonna apply the Oriflame No Compromise one because it will help as a base to make my lashes longer. And then I'm gonna apply the Catrice Glam Doll, I guess. I'm gonna apply it just over it to give more length and more volume to my lashes. And here you can see the difference between the two eyes. Now it's time to use this brush with the same eyeshadow brush that I use for my eyes and do the highlight over my nose and cubic bows and also over my cheeks. I'm gonna use my fingers for that. Now it's time to blush. I love to mix two colors together, so I'm gonna use these two colors from NYX, and of course my lovely Real Technique multitask brush. I love this brush for blush. So I'm gonna apply the amber color first, and then I'm gonna apply the peach color to add more color and more brightness to my cheeks. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna take the powder brush I used before and blend the blush with my faces. As you can see, the difference looks so beautiful. Looks like you have a filter over your face. I love this trick so much. Really enhance and like make the full look fabulous. And the last thing is my lovely lipstick or lip cream from NYX. I love this one so much. It's tea and cookies. It's so feminine and so amazing. I love it. So I'm gonna apply, and that's it for this look. And this is it. I really hope you like this video, and I really hope you like my signature makeup. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All these links in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.